funny videos. Today you might notice something different in my kitchen. Yes, I got a kitchen island and I have to thank my lovely parents for getting me. It works perfectly fine and it's a good size for my age. I will be cooking with y'all for the rest of this year with this lovely kitchen island. We are going to be making Chewy Coconut Macaroons. This is a snack which isn't too sweet. So parents, give this to your children. It's not so much sugar, but it still tastes good. Here are the ingredients. This recipe makes about 16 Chewy Coconut Macaroons. You will need 3 cups of sweetened shredded coconut. You can get this at an Indian store or just a regular grocery store, but make sure to get the sweetened type. Half a cup of condensed milk, vanilla extract, 3 egg whites, which I already separated from the egg yolks, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 2 pinches of salt. The first thing we need to do is mix the coconut and condensed milk. Now I'm going to show you how. In a large bowl, like I have, mix the coconut, the condensed milk, which is sometimes difficult to get out because it's really sticky. A few drops of vanilla, and the salt. We're going to mix it with the fork until well blended. I mixed all the coconut and condensed milk well and asked my mom to help a little bit because it was tricky. And I also set my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. All done. The next step is to beat the egg whites and the cream of tartar. Start mixing. Now I'm going to mix the sugar into the egg whites and cream of tartar. Let's start mixing. I beat the egg whites and cream of tartar for 2 to 3 minutes. I started at a slow speed, but slowly increased the speed. They're in soft peaks, ready to be used. Now I'm going to mix half of the egg white mixture into the coconut mixture. And I'm going to mix this well. I'm going to mix it well until you don't see much of egg white left. I put the rest of the egg white and I'm going to fold it until I don't see any more white streaks. Mix this well. I have a baking tray and I put parchment paper on it. If you don't have parchment paper, wax paper will also work. Now I'm going to spray some baking spray. Put not a lot and don't chunk it in one place. Now take a tablespoon and scoop the mixture out and space them 1.5 inches apart. If you don't have tablespoons, feel free to use some ice cream scoopers. Keep doing this until all your dough is done. I scooped the dough out. Now we need to put them in the oven to bake for 15 to 17 minutes. Kids, please ask an adult to help because I don't want any burnt hands. The Chewy Coconut Macaroons are ready. I cooked my macarons for about 18 minutes. It depends on how big your macarons are. because you might need to adjust a few minutes on how much you bake them. I baked these specially for my dad because he loves coconut. Let them cool for a good 5 minutes, then serve it to family and enjoy.
This is so good. But it's a little hot, but yeah, really good.
See you next time. Bye! And don't forget to like and subscribe.